ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ सप्तदशोऽध्यायः। श्रद्धात्रयविभागयोगः। आहारस्त्वपि सर्वस्य त्रिविधो भवति प्रियः। यज्ञस्तपस्तथा दानम् तेषां भेदमिमं शृणु। आयुः सत्त्वबलारोग्य सुखप्रीतिविवर्धनाः। रस्या स्निग्धा स्थिरा हृद्या आहाराः सात्विकप्रियाः। कट्वं ललवणात्युष्णा तीक्ष्णरूक्षविदाहिनः। आहारा राजसस्येष्टा दुःखशोकामयप्रदाः। यातयामं पूतिपर्युषितं च यत् उच्छिष्टमपि चामेध्यं भोजनं तामसप्रियम्। अफलाकाङ्क्षिभिर्यज्ञो विधिदृष्टो य युज्यते। यष्टव्यमेवेति मनः समाधाय स सात्विकः। Aphala akankshibhi, by the one not desiring any reward. Yajnaha, sacrifice or worship. Vidhidrashtaha, in accordance with scriptural injunctions. Yaha, which ijyate is offered. Yashtavyam, performed for its own sake. Eva, alone. Iti, thus. Manaha, mind. Samadhaya, having fixed. Saha, that. Satvikaha, of sattvic nature. Abhisandhaya tu phalam dambharthamapi chaiva yat ijyate bharata shrestha tam yajñam viddhi rajasam. Abhisandhaya, expecting for. Tu, but. Phalam, fruits or results. Dambha, pride or ostentation. Artham, for the sake of. Api, also. Cha, and. Eva, indeed. Yat, that which. Ijyate, is offered or performed. Bharata Shreshtha, O Arjuna, the best of the Bharatas. tam, that, yajnam, sacrifice or worship, vidhi, no, rajasam, of rajasic nature. Vidhihinamsrishtannam, mantrahinamadakshinam, shraddhavirahitam yajnam, tamasam parichakshate. Vidhihinam, without regard for scriptural injunctions, asrishta annam, without distribution of food, mantrahinam, without chanting of mantras, adakshinam, without gifts to priests, shraddha, faith or sincerity, virahitam, without, yajnam, sacrifice or worship, tamasam, of tamasic nature, parichakshate, is said to be. The gunas influence how a yajna is performed. A sacrifice performed without the expectation of rewards and in accordance with the scriptures is a sattvic sacrifice. When a sacrifice is performed with an expectation of material rewards, it is rajasic in nature. In contrast, a yajna performed without sincerity and ignoring the rules laid down in the scriptures is tamasic. It symbolizes the ignorance of the seeker. A sacrifice that is offered by one without desiring any reward, that is in accordance with scriptural injunctions, and that is performed for its own sake with one's mind fixed on it, such a sacrifice is of sattvic nature. But a sacrifice that is offered with the expectation of fruits and also indeed for the sake of ostentation, O best of the Bharatas, know it to be of rajasic nature. A sacrifice that is performed without any regard for scriptural injunctions, without the distribution of food, without chanting of mantras, without gifts to priests, and without faith, such a sacrifice is said to be of tamasic nature. Aphalakankshibhiryajño vidhidrishto ya ijyate yashtavyameveti manaha samadhaya sa satvikaha. Abhisandhayatu phalam dambharthamapi chaiva yat ijyate bharata shrestha tam yajñam vidhi rajasam. Vidhihinamsrishtannam mantrahinamadakshinam shraddhavirahitam yajñam tamasam parichakshate.